Good morning. Welcome back to this channel where every morning at 5 o'clock Jamaica time, there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Marian Millen, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I'm inviting you to do so because we don't want you to miss anything we're going right so. Also, may I beg you like, share, and you can leave a comment too. God bless you.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today I'm going to read to you part of the teachings of Jesus. We come from Mark 4, verse 21 to 25. It's a story about where people put lamp, and it say, then Jesus tell them one other story. Him say, people not like lamp put it under basket or under bed. No. Them put it where people can see the light. There's nothing where hide when I go come out in a open. And everything where hide I go come out where everybody can see it. Everybody where have ears better listen good. And him said to them, say, think good about what you hear. Anything we want to dish out to give people, that you not go get back and get all more on top of it. Because anybody will have something, gotta go give them more. But the one when not have nothing, gotta go take away from them even the little bit where them have. And God word this in a few own language. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.